Forget everything you know about chatting with AI. We are officially entering the era of the operational OS. On February 25th, 2026, Anthropic just shattered the glass ceiling of the standalone chatbot by launching a massive suite of department-specific plugins and a private marketplace that essentially turns Claude into a cross-functional employee. If you thought Claude Code was a game changer for developers, you haven't seen anything yet. The Claude Cowork update didn't just add a few buttons, it triggered a literal market meltdown in the enterprise software space. We're talking about double-digit stock drops for giants like ServiceNow, Salesforce, and Snowflake. Why? Because Anthropic is no longer just selling a model, they are selling the application layer. The marketplace of agents, from HR to high finance. The headline of the week is the Claude Plugin Marketplace. This isn't just an app store, it's a factory for specialized AI agents. Anthropic has released 10 core plugin categories that target the glue work of modern business, the repetitive, soul-crushing tasks that burn through 200K salaries. The HR plugin. This isn't just drafting emails, it navigates your internal systems to build full onboarding plans, runs complex compensation analyses, and even designs performance reviews based on real-time data. The investment banking and finance suite. This sends shockwaves through Wall Street. Claude can now parse earnings transcripts, update financial models in real time, and automate due diligence by extracting data from thousands of pages of transaction documents. The legal plugin. It's already causing a meltdown in the legal tech sector. It triages NDAs, flags risks in contracts, and tracks compliance across jurisdictions faster than a room full of paralegals. The secret weapon, Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This is the universal translator that allows Claude to talk to your favorite tools. Unlike traditional integrations that feel clunky and disconnected, MCP apps allow for interactive connectors. Imagine you're in a conversation with Claude. You ask it to analyze a sales trend. Instead of just giving you text, an interactive amplitude chart pops up inside the chat. You could adjust the parameters, filter by region, and watch the AI update the visualization in real time. Then, with a single command, you tell Claude to post this to the leadership Slack channel, and it generates a formatted preview, including the chart, and hits send. No more tab switching, no more copy pasting. Programmatic tool calling, the efficiency explosion. Anthropic isn't just making Claude smarter, they're making it cheaper and faster. They've introduced a new feature called Programmatic Tool Calling, or PTC. In the old days, like 3 months ago, if an AI needed to use 5 different tools to solve a problem, it would have to go back and forth with the server 5 times. That's 5 inference passes. With PTC, Claude now writes a block of Python code that orchestrates all those tools at once. The results are staggering. 37% reduction in token consumption. By keeping intermediate garbage out of the context window, the AI only sees what it needs. Massive latency drop. Instead of 5 round trips to the server, it's 1. Increased accuracy. Because the logic is written in code, loops, conditionals, and error handling, rather than natural language, the AI makes fewer hallucination-style logic errors. The acquisition. Why Anthropic bought Vercept. If you needed more proof that Anthropic is going for the throat of the computer use market, look at their acquisition of Vercept on February 25th. Vercept developed Vi, a tool that observes how humans work and then automates those multi-step tasks. By folding Vercept into Claude, Anthropic is building an AI that can literally watch you do a task in Excel, learn your specific brand voice or accounting quirks, and then take over that task entirely. This is the move from AI as an assistant to AI as a coworker. Why this changes everything for you? We are seeing the death of the standalone SaaS era. If you can do your accounting, your legal review, your coding, and your project management inside a single Claude interface that connects to all your data via MCP, why would you pay for 10 different subscriptions? The surprising part isn't just that Claude can do these things, it's that Anthropic is letting you build these plugins. Companies can now create private marketplaces. You can build a marketing plugin that is custom-tuned to your company's data, your brand guidelines, and your specific CRM, and then distribute it to your entire team with one click. The power is shifting from the companies that own the software to the people who orchestrate the AI. If you aren't learning how to use these interactive connectors and MCP servers, you're still playing in the sandbox while the rest of the world is building skyscrapers. What plugin would change your life today? A taxes and boring stuff bot? An automated social media manager? The infrastructure is here. The marketplace is open. The only question is, are you ready to stop chatting and start operating? See you next time.